My name's David Price. I'm the sales manager with Broadley James Limited. We're the European office for Broadley James Corporation. So we manufacture and distribute a wide range of products for bioprocessing, both upstream and downstream. We've got a small selection of products here this week to display and show to all the delegates here this week. So as part of bioprocessing, when you're growing cells, you need to regularly take samples and get results on either the cell concentration or analytes in the vessel itself. So this is an automated sampler. So what this will do is we'll automatically take samples from the vessel through the pump system directly to the analyzer. So if you can see from the backdrop, we've got the system with an analyzer on there. So the SecFlow system, you can interface with up to 4 analyzers at a time. And there are interfaces for 17 different analyzers at the moment. So as the manufacturers come up with new models, Flownamics take it to their laboratory and they will develop the software interface and the hardware interface to take the sample from the vessel and deliver it direct to the analyzer. So the system itself, you have a PC on board. So basically all you're doing is assigning to each vessel the sample size and the frequency of sampling. So we'll draw the sample from the vessel, take it through vessel 1 and through to the analyzer, and it will repeat the process for each vessel in turn. So you end up with a nice sterile sample, a representative sample, and 24/7 sampling, taking samples throughout the night, throughout the weekend, to allow the end user to do something more useful than taking samples, and also not come in the middle of the night to take sampling. We also have a new bioreactor from a Dutch company called Biostream, which is using up-to-date software using Linux. And for each vessel we have a controller. The controller has an IP address, and so the whole system is linked by network. So we can network up to 8 vessels and run from one screen. And obviously in the vessels themselves we have sensors. So Broadley James manufacture dissolved oxygen sensors, pH sensors. And we have a new sensor coming out, which is an optical Bioprobe, which is a fluorescence technique. You can see from the flashing light, it takes readings less than a second. And we have an angle on the end here to stop bubbles sticking, to give you a really good result.